Hi, let's try to learn all the phonics. A. A. The lower lip has to stretch to make the sound of letter A. A. B. B. C. K. There is no different sound for C other than K. There is no K. D. D. E. E. Our first enemy, we must not forget that E says a sound and the lip does not become big. So, for example, if I say egg, elbow, elephant, lip remains at its own place. But if I say the sound of a, the lip will stretch up. Flat, rat, wrist, nest. The lip did not become big. F, G, 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 H, H, I, J, J, K, K. Yes, C and K, they both make exactly the same sound K. L, L, M, M, N, N, O, A, P, 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 Q, Qu, R, R. R is the letter which comes at the end. Why? Because brain has to control at tip of the tongue to make the vibrating sound. This is the reason many of the children during their developmental stage, they learn R pronunciation almost at the end. S, S, T, T, V, V. The upper teeth touches the lower lip. V. W, W. Many children, they get confused between the sound of V and W. Do let them know that we never say wat, water. We always say watch, water. So the lip has to come forward for that. X, X, Y, Y, Z, Z, U, A. To teach each letter and its sound, we must remember that the letter has a picture, a name, and a sound. Always try to take picture of those words which are having U as following of consonant, because U is the only vowel which maintains identity of consonant. For example, if I say bus, bus, the sound of B is more audible. But if I say bat, A sound is more audible. Same way, cup, duck. If you take these words and these pictures at the initial stage of training, children would be able to learn the sounds much better. Though I did talk about all these phonics, but please do not forget to monitor the program. If the child is not able to follow the rules of phonics, kindly use the same traditional method which we have learnt with. What that method is? APPLE, apple. Sometimes we don't need to decode the sounds. We just know the name and we know the sounds automatically. Because phonics sometimes can confuse. So please keep monitoring after teaching the phonics. If the child is successful to learn, it's good enough. Continue the same. If the child is getting very confused and not able to use the phonics in a proper way, you can come back to the same traditional method and sight word approach. Thank you so much.